My name is Dr. Amir Hamza. I am Head of Department of Mechatronics Engineering in NUST College of Electrical and Mechanical Engineering. I am Principal Investigator of Robot Maker Lab. This Robot Maker Lab was established under the umbrella of NCRA. So the basic aim of creating a maker space or a maker lab is to enable the students to create and innovate and be technology savvy. Whenever the students are utilizing such spaces, they develop a sense of self-efficacy towards creating, towards innovation, towards technology. So we have provided more than 50 internships to undergraduate students. Each internship is 6 weeks in duration, and the aim is to provide market-ready skills to the students through this facility. And I think this is going to be a major contribution of RML towards the engineering community. Lab is also geared towards providing manufacturing services to all the other NCRA labs as well. So we have, for example, multiple laser cutters. They can handle multiple materials like wood, acrylic, even metals. So we have the capability of cutting metal sheets up to 8 mm thick. We can also cut tubes up to 200 mm diameters. We also have a state-of-the-art 3D scanner, reverse engineering applications के लिए. Then we have a 5-axis CNC machine. It has a large bed size and can handle precision engineering jobs. We have PCB prototyping setup as well. हमारे पास डिज़ाइनिंग से लेकर PCB मैन्युफैक्चरिंग तक तमाम कैपेबिलिटी मौजूद है. So overall, it is complete solution under one roof. It is not confined to engineering alone. I think this is a very unique facility that has been developed under NCRA, and it will go a long way towards enriching the experience of our graduate students and also different startups that are developing in the region.